Hi, I'm Kyle, Education Specialist with Digitalis Education Solutions, here to talk to you about our new Digitarium SkyBox. SkyBox is a portable and powerful planetarium control computer. You can set it up anywhere that you would like. Connect it to a flat screen monitor or projector in your classroom, or you can connect it with our interface device into your laptop and use it with Zoom or any other applications online. It really is just that easy. I'm flying it live right now with one of the interfaces. This is a gamepad that lets you zoom in and take a look at anything that you would like. You can also operate it with our Universal Console. Universal Console allows you to run it on an iPad or other web-enabled device. So I'm going to give you a closer view here of our Universal Console. You can set it for any place that you want, any time that you want. You can easily label the planets, or you could put on the lines and the artwork and the names of the different constellations. It really is just that easy. Now, if you're used to a Digitarium, you might expect it to be easy. That's kind of what we're known for. But you might be surprised at just how powerful the Digitarium SkyBox really is. So there are some things that you can do with the Digitarium SkyBox that you might not have known. For instance, we can leave the entire planet behind. We're flying away from our Earth. We can easily fly to other planets. We just select planet and maybe Mars and hit the button that says fly to. Leave the Earth behind and fly all the way across to the planet Mars. It's just that easy. Once we're at Mars, we can explore the surface. Let me even get down here, come down a little closer here and show you some of the data from the surface of Mars. I'm flying this live right now. I see Valles Marineris, and we'll just fly on in here. Oh, this is cool. You know what? This is also a lot of fun to fly. If you're doing this setup in your classroom, you literally could hand the controls over to your students and let your students explore the solar system. I'm going to fly us back to Earth, and I want to talk about one of my other favorite features with the Digitarium SkyBox and running our Nightshade Next Generation professional planetarium system. Click here on to show you the interface here. I want to take a look at the data console. This is a new feature that we've added recently. Data console lets you easily add data to various reference frames, such as the Earth. And I'll show you what I mean here. We can add data related to any of these categories: weather, plate tectonics, snow and ice, water, magnetism, life, land, air, human impact. And I'll give you an example of what I mean by a data set by just grabbing the first one here. Atmospheric chemistry model. So we click on Show Data Set and show the legend. So this data set explores the atmospheric chemistry of our Earth, looking for sea salt, sulfate, organic carbon, and dust around the globe. So I'm currently just flying this live so that we can look at what parts of the Earth have these different compounds over them according to this data set. It really is that easy. The thing to keep in mind here, when you think about a Digitarium, you're probably thinking about a planetarium studying the sky. You can do much more than that. Of course, the Digitarium is designed for looking at the sky, so let me show you some of the ways that you can use this for some more advanced features. We can add multiple data sets at once. I'm going to add the Planck Low Frequency Survey to the sky. I'll show you the opacity here. All right, let's add a couple more. How about H alpha? And the plank dust survey. We'll put those on. So I've just grabbed 3 different data sets. I'm going to click on active for sky here, and we can show the different data sets layered on top of each other. Now if we want to look at a specific part of the sky, that's easy enough to do as well. We could search for Orion Nebula, or maybe M31, whatever we want to look for. Click on track. It'll aim us into that part of the sky. We can zoom in for a telescopic look. And we can go back here to our data sets and look at the data. Look at that, that's pretty cool. All right, we also have a digitized all sky survey, which gives photographic data to the sky. And we can look around. I'm just moving our virtual telescope as we speak. So the SkyBox is incredibly powerful and yet very easy to use for just about any type of lesson that you can imagine. I want to fly you out to show you that the sky really is not the limit. Let's add the orbit lines of the Earth, and let's fly away from the Earth and Moon system together and keep on heading out. So we can look at our Earth's orbit around the Sun. We can look at the body orbit lines of our entire solar system, and we can even leave the entire solar system behind. So if we want to get a closer look at this, let's add some of the artwork or lines of some of the constellations, and let's just grab a few of these different constellations so we can help track. And now let's fly far away. So as we leave our entire solar system behind, we can see which stars are closer to us. Those dot-to-dot lines no longer make the shapes that we expect as we keep flying out. Their shape is warped toward the Earth. We can even leave our entire galaxy behind. So we'll fly out of our Milky Way, show a model of the Milky Way behind us. As we fly out even farther, we can show the different galaxies in the Sloan Digital Sky Survey and fly all the way out to the cosmic microwave background radiation. If you'd like to find out more about the Digitarium SkyBox or any of our other Digitarium products, go to digitaliseducation.com and click down here where it says Request Demo. That'll get a hold of me, and we can set up a time that I can do a live interactive question and answer session with you and see how a Digitarium product could fit the way that you want to teach. Digitarium, the sky is not the limit, it's just the beginning.